What if you could walk through the gates of civilizations long gone, rebuilt in every dazzling detail by AI? Babylon's Golden Gates. The Ishtar Gate of Babylon rises again, its deep sapphire tiles and golden lions restored to their original brilliance. Sunlight dances on every brick as if time never passed. Petra's Rose-Red City. Petra's rose-red walls glow as if carved just yesterday, the desert sun revealing every intricate detail of its majestic facades. It feels alive once more. The Great Library of Alexandria. The Library of Alexandria returns, marble floors, towering shelves of scrolls, and sunlight streaming through vast arched windows. Knowledge shines brighter than ever. The Mayan city of Tikal. From deep within the jungle, Tikal's towering temples rise above the green canopy, restored in vivid color and form. Angkor Wat at dawn. Angkor Wat glows in the gold of sunrise, its towers and galleries shining with intricate carvings once hidden by time. Macchu Picchu in bloom. High in the Andes, Macchu Picchu emerges from the mist, its terraces bursting with life as they once did centuries ago. Persepolis reborn. The ceremonial halls of Persepolis rise again, their columns and reliefs standing proud against the Persian sky. From Babylon to Persepolis, the past shines again. But our journey isn't over. In Part 2, we explore even greater wonders reborn by AI.